Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be solving the question number 2359, print 99 multiplication table. So it's a Java question. How do we have to solve this question? Let's see. So this particular question, we are asked to print a particular output in this particular format. Okay, where it is just a multiplication 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 2 into 2, 4 and so on till 9 into 9 equal to 81. So this is the output that we have to show in with the help of our code. Okay, let's see what we can do for this one. Let's try to analyze it first. Okay, so here we can see we we are having 1 into 1, so it is printing one time. So 1 2, so it's a table, so it's for multiplication at 2, so here it is multiplying for 3, then here it is multiplying for 4, then 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so for the first row it is printing one time. For the second row we can see it is doing 1 into 2 and 2 into 2, so 2 times it is doing the calculation. And for 3 it is 3 times. For the third row it is doing the 3 times, and so on. We can see for the ninth table it is doing the calculation for 9 times. So what we can deduce from this, there we have to use a for loop to solve this question. Okay, and what we can say we have to use the outer loop from 1 to 9. So we can move from 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8 and then 9. So this we are sure. Okay, this we can do. Okay, so outer loop will be from 1 to 9 and the inner loop has to be dependent on the outer loop. So if we say j will be from 1 to less than equal to I. Why? Because we can see here in the case of 1, so when I was 1 it was printing one time, when I was 2 it was printing 2 times, and I was 3 it was printing 3 times. Okay, so this is what we can use it, but here we can see it is also getting formatted in a certain format. What I mean by that, let's see there. So after 1 into 1 multiplication it is doing a new line, it is printing a new line, and after doing 2 into 2 multiplication it is doing a new line, and for this one also, this one also, this one also, this one, this one, this one and this one, and all the values which are coming in this section, let's say here it is printing after a space. So the pattern is same. After the last element we have to somehow move to next line and print the values which are coming before it in a continuous format. So if we are using two loops from 1 to 9 and j from 1 to less than equal to I, then we can't achieve it. So we have to break the condition from less than equal to less than, because if we print the values here with a single space like this, okay, then we can print the continuous values, but last value we have to handle somehow with the println, which it will go to the next line. so which we will take values from the first loop. So I hope this is clear, and what are the challenges that we are facing in order to convert it like that. We can handle it over here also. We can just simply put a condition, and we can use less than equal to, and if it is equal to, then we can directly use the println, and we can use it inside this, but it is much cleaner if we do outside. Okay, so let's try to code this. Here we'll just create the loop, outer loop, which will run from 0 to 9, not 0 to 9, from 1 to 9, because the multiplication table is from 1 to 9, and then we have to increment it one by one. And let's take the inner loop here. Which we will initialize with j, and it will start from 1 also, and it can go till less than I, and then we can just increment it also. Just need to print it that we'll just print the values like the value for the j element. Then we need values like, so the operator multiplication was showing in the output, so we'll put that, and then we have to use the I value. So I will be pointing to which point the multiplication is happening, and then we can mention equal to sign, and after that we can say the multiplication value itself and the space that is required so that the next element can be printed. Once we do that, we just need the final value where the line will be changed, which has to point particular, which will terminate the whole line. So if it is the first line for 1, then it will be 1 into 1. If it is for 2, then it will be 2 into 2, and so on. So what does it tell us? We have to use the same variable, and we have to use the same format, plus we can use the I itself, and we can give same equal to operator, and we can give the multiplication of I into I. That's it. So let's run it. Okay, so we are getting some error. Let's see. Okay, so we are using a colon instead of semicolon, so that's wrong. Okay, somewhere we have written +1 also. One, two. Okay, so here we are not using, okay, here we are using plus sign instead of equal to. Yeah, so I think let's submit it. Okay, it's accepted. So I hope you find this video insightful. So do like, share and subscribe. and follow for more content. Thank you for watching and share it with your friends.